लास्ट क्लास में हमने स्ट्रिंग वेव के बारे में पढ़ा। इस क्लास में हम साउंड वेव के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। We know that sound wave is the form of energy that causes the sensation of hearing. Then we study about the velocity of sound in different types of medium. First case, velocity of sound in linear solid medium. Velocity is given by v is equal to root of Young's modulus upon density. Here y is Young's modulus of elasticity and rho is the density of medium. We know that Young's modulus is equal to longitudinal stress upon longitudinal strain. अगर इसको हम समझना चाहें तो हम एक रॉड लेंगे जिसका एक एंड पॉइंट फिक्स होगा और उसके एक एंड पॉइंट पर हम F एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो हम ये देखेंगे कि इस स्ट्रिंग की लेंथ, इस रॉड की लेंथ इंक्रीज हो जाती है। Assume initial length of this rod is capital L and after applying force the length of this rod will become L plus delta L and cross section area of this rod is assumed capital A. Then Young's modulus is equal to longitudinal stress is equal to longitudinal force upon cross section area and longitudinal strain is equal to change in length upon initial length. Here change in length is capital delta L and initial length is L. Then longitudinal strain will become delta L upon L. Then second case, velocity of sound in fluid. फ्लूइड में हम देख सकते हैं गैस एंड लिक्विड। Velocity of sound in fluid is given by v is equal to root of b upon rho. B is equal to bulk modulus of elasticity. And we know that rho is the density of the medium. Bulk modulus is equal to change in pressure upon volume strain, that is equal to delta P upon minus of delta V upon V. हमने यहाँ पे माइनस साइन इसलिए लगाया है क्योंकि जब हम प्रेशर इंक्रीज करते हैं तो वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज करता है एंड बल्क मॉड्यूलस इज अ पॉजिटिव क्वांटिटी एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूटन when sound wave propagate in fluid then it is a isothermal process. In isothermal process temperature is constant. We know that ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. Temperature is constant, then we can say that PV is equal to constant. Then differentiate this equation P delta V plus V delta P is equal to 0. Then delta V upon V is equal to minus of delta P upon P. Then P is equal to minus of delta P upon delta V upon V. Then put this value in the formula of, then velocity of sound is equal to root of P upon rho. If we assume pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere, that is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square and density of air is equal to 1.293 kg per meter cube at 0 degree Celsius, then speed of sound wave will come out is 228 meter per second at 0 degree Celsius. At 0 degree Celsius, but speed of sound at 0 degree Celsius is 332 meter per second. Then we can say that the assumption of Newton is wrong. Then there is correction in Newton's formula. Then after Newton, according to Laplace, when the sound wave propagate in gas or solid, then he say that it is adiabatic process. According to adiabatic process, P V gamma is equal to constant. Gamma is adiabatic index. ln P plus gamma ln V is equal to constant. Then delta P upon P plus gamma delta V upon V is equal to 0. Then delta P upon minus of delta V upon V is equal to gamma P. That is the value of bulk modulus. Then velocity of sound will be equal to V is equal to root of gamma P upon rho. For air, gamma is equal to 1.4 and P is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square, and density is equal to 1.293 kg per meter cube. Then speed of sound will be equal to 332 meter per second. Then we can say that the assumption of the Laplace is correct, क्योंकि according to the assumption of Laplace equation, speed of sound will be 332 meter per second. Here a new term gamma, that is the adiabatic index. Gamma is equal to Cp upon Cv, and Cp is equal to specific heat capacity at constant pressure, and Cv is the specific heat capacity at constant volume. And we have already studied about the specific heat capacities in heat chapter. We know that ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to, we know that small n is the number of moles of gas, and number of moles of gas is equal to mass upon molar mass, small m upon capital M, RT. Then P is equal to, we can write that m upon V 1 upon capital M, RT. Then P is equal to rho RT upon capital M. Then P by rho is equal to RT upon capital M. R is the gas constant, M is molecular mass, and T is absolute temperature. Then speed of sound will become V is equal to gamma RT upon capital N.